Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inshallah, our lesson today will be about deforestation, and we will speak about deforestation, the meaning of deforestation, and the causes and results of deforestation. The objectives for today: what is deforestation, and what is causes and results of deforestation? Anyone knows what is the meaning of deforestation?
I know.
I know.
Okay, Ala.
The deforestation happens when the people destroy the forests.
Very good, excellent. Thank you so much. Clara?
Me.
Clara,
People clearing out the forest.
clearing the forest. Very
People
good.
clearing out the forest, cutting
Okay,
down trees.
thank you so much. Ranim, you want to answer?
Yes, deforestation is when people cut the trees to build homes and
Okay, very good.
to
Thank you
build
so much.
homes.
Cut the trees add enough. Thank you so much. Okay, here add the name of it. There is two parts. First one is DE, and the second one is forestation. Okay, the meaning of forestation is making forests. Okay, if I add deforestation, means I cancel the meaning of forestation. I try to remove the forests by deforestation. So the meaning of deforestation is removing the forests or removing trees from forests. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes.
As you can see in this picture, the meaning of deforestation is the destruction of forests and on a massive scale. Okay, destruction of forests on a massive scale. As you can see in these pictures, people destroy the forests by cutting the trees, like most of you said before, cutting trees at all these pictures. So they destroyed the green habitat and they destroyed the animals which are living inside these trees. Okay?
Okay.
Removal of large number of trees to meet the world's demand for wood. Increasing land space for farming. So if I asked you what is the meaning of deforestation, you can say a removal of large number of trees to meet the world's demand of wood or increasing land space for farming. Again, the destruction of forests on a massive scale by removal a large number of trees to meet the world's demand for wood. The result of that, increasing the land space for farming. Ghazal and Sroor, do you understand?
No.
Okay, Ghazal, Sroor?
A little bit. A little bit.
A little bit. Salim, are you here?
Yes.
Is it clear, Salim?
Yes.
اوكي deforestation معناها التصحر او ازاله الغابات. اوكي ازاله النباتات من اماكنها وقطع الاشجار يؤدي الى تدمير البيئه بالاضافه الى تدمير المكان نفسه اللي توجد فيه النباتات، تدمير الموطن الذي تعيش فيه بعض الكائنات الحيه داخل هذه الاشجار وهذه النباتات. واضح؟
ايوه.
Yes.
Here? Okay. Again, removal of large number of trees to meet the world's demand for wood, increasing land space for farming. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will know together. My screen is clear. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. As you can see here, there is some causes of deforestation and there is some results happened by deforestation. Okay. The first one we will speak about reasons of deforestation or the causes of deforestation. Okay. First one is quarrying. Here, the first one is quarrying. Second one is clearing lands. Clearing lands for development, like happened in big cities, and they are cutting trees and remove it from its lands to make or build new cities at the same place or make new things or new projects at the same place. Maybe some factories, maybe some buildings, maybe some new cities. Okay, quarrying is searching or looking for minerals and they trying to also deforestation or clear this place from plants. The results of deforestation. The first result, climate change, change in our climate. Second one, loss of habitat, animals and birds losing their habitat. The last one is soil erosion, change in soil by moving of soil from one place to another place and destroying the life of some aquatic plants. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, so as we said, the causes are quarrying and clearing lands for development. Results are climate change, loss of habitat, soil erosion. We will speak about quarrying. As you can see in these pictures, involves the extraction of rocks, involves the extraction of rocks and minerals from the ground. So forests are often cleared in this process. As you can see here at this picture, they are looking for minerals. Minerals means in Arabic المعادن, like iron or aluminum or other minerals. الأملاح والمعادن اللي بنستخرجها من التربة أثناء الحفر والبحث عنها يكون ممكن أحيانا تدمير المواطن الطبيعية أو الغابات الخضراء. Okay?
Okay.
So now they are going to destroy the green habitat here. This is the green habitat. And here they are looking for minerals. This is a process called quarrying. Okay, here and here. Okay, there is bad results for quarrying. Involves the extraction of rocks and minerals from the ground. So forests are often cleared in this process. What is happening by quarrying? Quarrying destroys the natural habitat of organisms. Organisms which live here in these trees are running away to look to another home or another habitat. Maybe they are going to die because they cannot find a home or a habitat to live inside. The other results or bad effect of quarrying, the dust which come from quarrying make air pollution. We cannot breathe from this air and we will have problems at breathing, okay, because the air is containing dust. Do you know what is the meaning of dust, Surur?
What, Mister?
The meaning of
Mister?
dust. Dust.
I don't know.
غزل. If you don't know, it's okay. I just want to explain. Do you know?
Dust?
Yes.
No.
Okay. Who else didn't know? Who else doesn't know? Okay, Hala, do you know? Hala, are you here?
Mister?
Hala left. Okay.
Mister?
Yes.
I am not sure. I'm not sure. From my
Okay. Try to say it. Try.
غبار.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. غبار. Okay. Like you can see in this picture. Okay. الغبار اللي يخرج من عمليات الحفر. Okay. This is the dust. Okay. And this is destroying the breathing process for us. The dust make air pollution. Do you have any question for this part?
No.
No.
Okay, the second one, clearing land for development. As you can see at this picture, they are destroying the green habitat by cutting and removing the trees. They're trying to remove the trees from this habitat and start to make new things at the same place. Large tracts of land have to be cleared to lay the foundations of buildings. Okay, لتأسيس مباني جديدة أو مصانع أو مشاريع جديدة يسعوا إلى تدمير الغابات. Okay, clearing land for development. Large tracts of land have to be cleared to lay the foundations of buildings. Do you have any question for this part?
No.
No.
What is the result of clearing land for development? This also destroys the natural habitat. Okay. How are you, Ola? Are you here?
Yes, teacher.
Can you explain the clearing land for development?
The clearing land for development happens to meet the world's demand for wood and paper products and to build new houses and buildings.
Very good. Excellent. MashaAllah alayki. Very good. Ahsanti. Okay. Also required large amount of energy. When the companies or people try to clear land for development, they are trying to use a lot of machines, okay? Heavy machines. These heavy machines required large amount of energy. They need a lot of energy, so they will have high cost of money to buy oil or some types of energy to help them to finish their projects. So again, clearing lands for development, large tracts of land have to be cleared to lay the foundations of buildings. This destroys the natural habitat, also required large amount of energy. Climate change. What is the meaning of climate change? Anyone know the meaning of climate change?
No.
Climate change.
Me, Mister. Me, Mister.
Ola and
Mister, I'm not sure. Me, Mister.
Marwan, you know? Okay, answer Marwan. Marwan, you want to say?
Yeah, Mister.
Okay, say Marwan.
Climate change set in as lays photo stations occur but to future and hence are large.
Okay, thank you, Moran. Thank you so much. Salim?
Climate change is when they destroy trees, it will be less photosynthesis and carbon dioxide.
Very good, excellent. Thank you so much, Clara.
The climate change is when there are fewer trees and the amount of carbon dioxide will increase, so the photosynthesis won't be able to get more trees.
Very good, excellent. Inshallah. Ola?
The climate change is the temperature change because the carbon dioxide increases in the air.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Raneem?
Climate change is when people cut trees, so the photosynthesis process will decrease, and we will not get a lot of carbon dioxide because the number of trees is decreasing.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. You want to say again, Salim? خلاص, okay, Salim. Okay, climate change meaning the change of temperature and the atmosphere amount of gases will be changed. Why this happened? Climate change set in as less photosynthesis occurs due to fewer trees. Now they are cutting trees from forests, so the number of trees is fewer now. The fewer number, العدد الأشجار قل أصبح أقل. Okay. So the photosynthesis process now is fewer. Not a large amount of trees can make photosynthesis process. So the amount of carbon dioxide will be more and more. Okay, we will have a large amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. This large amount of carbon dioxide will make something called greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect prevents the infrared radiation from sunlight to get out from our earth or from our atmosphere and go back to earth and make high temperature. Look with me at the second picture.
Teacher, I didn't understand very well.
I will explain again. Okay. في الصورة الثانية. Okay. Now at the second picture we have sunlight. The yellow radiations are sunlight. When the sunlight get inside our earth, the carbon dioxide make outside shield like this. This is outside shield. This shield prevent part of the sunlight from getting outside our atmosphere. What is happening at our day? At our day, the earth absorbed the sunlight, okay? At night, the earth tried to reflect the sunlight again to the atmosphere. Because of the shield from carbon dioxide here, make something like glass. Greenhouse is something like glass, can cover our earth. That prevent some part of light to get outside our earth. So this IR or infrared radiation, we called it the heat radiation or hot radiation that make different at our temperature at our earth, that increases the temperature of the earth and make changes that called climate change. In Arabic, أشعة الشمس لما تدخل الأرض تمتص أشعة الشمس في فترة النهار، بعدين تحاول إنها تعكس بعض الأشعة إلى الخارج. في أشعة تحت الحمراء الانفراريد IR، اوكي، هي الأشعة بنسميها الأشعة الحرارية لأنها اللي تحمل الارتفاع في درجة الحرارة. هذه الأشعة الحرارية ما تستطيع أنها تخرج لأن ثاني أكسيد الكربون يسوي غطاء حول الأرض. هذا الغطاء بنسميه ظاهرة البيوت الزجاجية، لأنه يكون مثل الزجاج يمنع خروج الأشعة تحت الحمراء إلى الخارج، فيؤدي إلى ارتفاع درجة حرارة الكرة الأرضية ويسبب اختلاف في أحوال الطقس أو تغيرات مناخية في الجو داخل الكرة الأرضية. احنا بنسميها climate change. Again, there is no, if anyone has any question, Arabic or English, anyone want to ask any question?
No.
Okay. Again, climate change. Climate change set in as less photosynthesis occurs due to fewer trees, and hence a larger amount of CO2 or carbon dioxide remains at the atmosphere. And it's a greenhouse gas that retain heat in the earth. This is greenhouse effect, okay? Prevent the IR or infrared radiation from sunlight to go out the earth and keep it inside, making increasing at the temperature. This increasing
Teacher,
at the temperature, yes?
how did the IR enter from the beginning?
Again, I can't hear you.
How did the IR enter from the beginning?
Enter from the beginning. The sun, the IR is a part of sunlight, Ola. Okay? The sunlight contains a lot of radiations, okay? There is ultraviolet and there is IR, a part of them, okay? ضوء الشمس يتكون من 7 ألوان اللي هي ألوان الطيف، بالإضافة إلى ضوء بنسميه الأشعة فوق البنفسجية، وضوء في الآخر بنسميه الأشعة تحت الحمراء. Okay? We have 7 colors with the sunlight. Okay? These 7 colors contains with them extra 2 more. They are ultraviolet, UV and IR. Okay? فاللي بيحدث يا علا ان كل ضوء الشمس ينعكس للخارج ما عدا الاشعه تحت الحمراء. اوكي؟ اثناء انعكاس ضوء الشمس للخارج الاشعه تحت الحمراء جزء كبير منها يظل في الداخل بسبب ثاني اكسيد الكربون، فيسبب ارتفاع في درجه الحراره. اوكي؟ Now did you get it علا؟
Yes.
اوكي. Now حاليا بسبب كورونا، شو اللي يصير في العالم بسبب كورونا؟ معظم المصانع ومعظم الشركات توقفت عن العمل، فلاحظ العلماء ان نسبة ثاني اكسيد الكربون في الهواء الجوي قلت بنسبة كبيرة جدا، مما ادى الى تقليل ظاهرة البيوت الزجاجية او اللي هي ظاهرة الجرين هاوس افكت. ايضا ادى الى ان ثقب الاوزون بدأ يلتئم مرة اخرى وينغلق لان التلوث قل. لأن ثاني أكسيد الكربون هو أكبر الغازات الملوثة للهواء الجوي، يؤدي إلى ثقب الأوزون ويؤدي إلى ظاهرة البيوت الزجاجية أو بنسميها green house effect. Do you have any question at this part?
No.
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 Okay. Now other results is loss of habitat. Animals losing their habitat because the destroying of trees, as you can see these pictures. The first one, what is the name of this bird? Ranim?
Owl.
Owl, very good. The owl lost its habitat by cutting the trees. Okay, maybe 90% the owl will die because of losing its habitat. What is the name of the other animal, Surur?
Turtle.
Turtle. Turtle also. What is happening to turtle here, Ola?
It lost its habitats.
It loses its habitat. Very good. What is its habitat here, Clara? Clara,
There,
what is its habitat?
its habitat is the land, but the farmers destroyed it.
Okay, the land. This turtle is live in land or live in water? Between them, okay? Between land and habitat and water, okay? Here there is no water and there is a deforestation, and here desertation. We called it desertation, a changing of water places to be a desert without no water, okay? Loss of habitats for millions of plants and animals species has led many organisms to become endangered or extinct. What's the meaning of extinct? Anyone knows? Clara?
I
Me.
know.
Clara?
Me. Extinct. It means that this animal is no longer on the earth.
Very good, excellent. Thank you so much. Ola?
It means that the number of these animals become smaller.
Number of these animals become smaller. Very good. This is endangered. You said endangered. This is the number become smaller, okay? But extinct, that means this animal is not exist now, okay? Is not that like Clara said, no longer exist on the earth, okay? All the number of one type of animals are finished, are dead, okay? We call it extinct animals. Endangered animals means less number of them and they become too extinct. Sroor and Ghazal, is it clear?
Yes.
Endangered يعني أوشكت على الانقراض واكستنكت يعني انقرضت ما عادت موجودة okay loss of habitat for millions of plants and animal species has led many organisms to become endangered or extinct. Soil erosion, as you can see at these pictures here, because of a lot of water, the moving of water at some places and the less number of water at other places. All of these reasons can make soil erosion. The first one, the water try to move the soil with it from one place to another place. So the water become murky and muddy, like we said before. The another picture, there is no plants and the soil become weak. There is no plant to hold the soil. This happens when there is no plants to hold the soil, so the soil can move from one place to another. With the loss of protective cover of plants or vegetation, with the loss of a protective cover of plants or vegetation, more soil is lost as rain can wash away large amounts of soil into the nearby water bodies, like we see here as the first picture. The moving water here take the soil with it to the nearby bodies like rivers or seas or lakes or oceans. They are the water bodies to turn murky, preventing the aquatic plants from getting sunlight. Do you have any question at this part?
No.
Mr. I didn't understand. Can you repeat, explain it again,
Okay,
please?
soil erosion is يعني تآكل التربة، okay؟ التربة تصبح غير ثابتة في مكان وتتحرك من مكان إلى آخر. This happens when there is no plants to hold the soil. The second picture, النباتات أصلا من فوائد النباتات سبحان الله إنها تسوي تماسك لطبقات التربة مع بعض. احنا عارفين إن التربة هي الطبقة العلوية من القشرة الأرضية. يصير تماسك للتربة عند زراعة النباتات في التربة. إذا ما كان في نباتات تبدأ النباتات تموت، تبدأ التربة ما يصير فيها تماسك، تتحرك مع أقل سبب، هواء أو ماء، تتحرك من مكانها، فيصير عندي عملية تآكل للتربة. السبب الآخر بسبب وجود الماء، الماء ينقل الطبقة العليا من التربة من مكان إلى آخر، ونلاحظ هذا الشيء في نزول الأمطار في هذه الأيام والأيام السابقة. نزول الأمطار في الجبال تنزل المياه لونها إيش؟ لونها murky or muddy water that moving from mountains to water bodies. Okay, more soil is lost as rain can wash away large amounts of soil into nearby water bodies to turn murky and muddy, preventing the aquatic plants from getting sunlight. And also, if they cannot get sunlight, they also cannot make photosynthesis process. يصبح النبات قادر على عمل عملية البناء الضوئي ويموت بسبب قلة الضوء، بالذات النباتات التي تعيش داخل الماء. Do you have any question as a start?
No.
No.
Anim, is that clear now?
Yes.
Okay, سرور غزل. سرور غزل.
Yes.
علا، كلارا، سالم، مروان.
No.